Baddies, Frankie Fictitious here. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my winged eyeliner. I did one eye for you already, and now we are just going to do the other eye. First, I like to start with this line starting in the inner corner, and I'm going to bring it all the way up and follow my eye to here. So that's going to be my first line. Okay, so there's my first line. And then I like to fill in this little corner here too. Next, I'm gonna follow my water line here, and I'm gonna continue that line going straight up towards your eyebrow point. I do a pretty dramatic cat eye. Mine is usually pretty long and it goes almost to my eyebrow, but you don't have to do it that long. It's up to you how long you wanna do it. So just like that. And then the next step is we're gonna take that point and we're gonna pull it back down to meet our other line. So there's the outline of it. And then next we just have to color it in. That's my winged eyeliner. After, I like to go in with concealer and clean up any excess eyeshadow as well, so it's a nice cut there. I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty concealer in Marshmallow. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my concealer brush and just swipe right underneath my eyeliner line. Okay, and then I'll just blend it down a little bit so it doesn't look like just a line of concealer. So that's my eyeliner. So the last step is going to be just put my eyelashes on, and then we're all ready to go. Here's the completed look with the eyeliner and the lashes on. Thank you so much for tuning in to my winged eyeliner tutorial. If you want to see more, or if you want to see the other steps of this face, I have a couple of other YouTube videos up on how I did my foundation and how I did my eyeshadow. Thanks for watching, baddies. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys around.